Why do we get hiccups? It all comes from a super important muscle, the diaphragm. It's the one that moves your lungs up and down so you can breathe. When it contracts normally, you inhale smoothly, but sometimes, it contracts too quickly, all of a sudden, without you controlling it. That's an involuntary contraction, and it causes a fast, sudden rush of air into your lungs. Right after that, your glottis, the opening that lets air pass through your throat, closes immediately. And that sudden blockage is what creates the familiar. But why does it happen? Often because you eat too quickly, drink something fizzy, your stomach is too full, or even because you laugh too hard. No worries, hiccups are almost always harmless and go away on their own. Basically, hiccups are just your diaphragm acting up. Like and subscribe to follow DocStudySmart.